Hey guys, Clay here. Excited to share some quick little updates on Fina. So we've been really focused over the past few months on our user interface and our user experience, trying to make things as simple and clean as possible for you guys to be able to connect your financial accounts, to categorize your transactions, and ultimately to get all of your data in one spot cleaned so that eventually you'll be able to create your own pages and report on that data however you see fit. So really the goal with Fina is we're trying to be the most flexible tool for managing your finances. And so as you guys can see here, I'm going to walk you through just a couple of our quick updates. We still have a lot of polish work that we're doing right now. But for the past few months, we've been really focused on what we call the Fina Console. That's this area here where you have profiles and you connect all of your financial accounts, and then ultimately you set up your category schema, and then you categorize your transaction. So as you guys can see here on the accounts page, we've made some updates. We allow people to refresh to make sure their balances are always up to date. We make it a little bit more clear on how to add your accounts. We have the ability to see all of your accounts or just the accounts that are currently inside that profile. We have different options that you can take on those accounts. We also show you these little squares at the bottom just to quickly summarize your information. And yeah, we allow people to rename their accounts, of course. So all the basic stuff is there. And then something else we've been working a lot on lately is our transactions. So as you guys will notice, we're totally redoing kind of our transactions experience right now. We've made some updates. We tried to make the dates a little bit more obvious and ability to roll up kind of underneath each other. We also put the actual day next to it so you guys can kind of remember when those transactions were. We have some really cool stuff. We've improved our category selection picker. You can add new categories directly from this view. We've also done some things just making this view a little bit more simple and pleasing to the eye. We now have a transaction card view that you can click and just pop over and see different information relevant to that transaction. So this is a more detailed view, as you can tell. We've made some updates to our category date picker. So you're able to, use these different macros to quickly change around your different to change around your different date ranges. If you click the right side of the button, that shows these different macros that we have here. If you click the left side of the button, you're able to do a custom date range. You can also get there by clicking custom. So we made some pretty nice little improvements to our filters button as well. So filters, the filters experience is now going to be a lot more simple and clear. So if I click filter, this button shows and hides the filters options here. I can filter by name. So obviously this would be, different descriptions for your transaction. I can filter by account. I can filter by merchant, category, amount. And we try to make each of these different filters really easy to navigate so that you guys are able to quickly see what you need to see and categorize your transactions. Another thing we've done is we've added views. So if I wanted to save, this specific filter as a view, I could do that. For example, maybe I wanted to save a view of just all my subscriptions. I can see my subscriptions here, and then maybe I want to see last year, anything that was categorized as a subscription. We make that really quick and easy as well. So yeah, super simple to navigate. We're trying to clean things up in this console. The next thing we'll be working on is finishing off the categories and the rules side of things to make this even more simple. Once we finish the Fina Console, we have a lot of stuff planned for our pages in the reporting side of things. So for us, we felt it was really important to make sure that you guys were able to clean and categorize your data with as much ease as possible. So that's why we spent so much time on this. We still have some polish left to go, but over the next month or so, you guys will see this area be cleaned up even more, and then we'll be on to the reporting side. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for all the patience and the support with Fina. Hopefully you guys enjoy the updates to the user interface and experience here, and we'll see you guys here soon.